Hey, it's me again. Let's do some more guitar building today. Before we get into the build, let's talk about where we are and how we got there. First, I've been doing a lot of planing off camera. It's mostly because it's really boring to watch, yet a lot of people seem to like that stuff. There's been a little bit of that going on, and I needed to free up a template that I had affixed to another project, which I'm actually going to give to my friend. So with all this stuff out of the way, let's start looking at the footage.
Marginalize legal walnut.
Today, we are going to cut this out. This is the tribute backside and the front side.
It's gonna be fun. Oh, that thing was terrible.
So we're going to just start cutting this thing out using the bandsaw. And it's an okay bandsaw. Not really the greatest bandsaw in the world, but after some trial and error and also using the handheld jigsaw, this is what we're left with. Thank you. But this needs to be refined a little bit. The router bit isn't going to like to chop away at this really uneven and, well, frankly, not quite up to par amount of material left behind. So we're just going to try to make it a little easier to route. Simple as that. It also feels kind of nice too. Whew. Alright, break time. You thought I was done? You were wrong. I gotta route out the body now. We've chopped it out, sanded it up, made it habitable for our router bit, and well, now it's time to use the router bit on it and get it true to that template. Now, the router is one tool that I find to be the most spooky to play with. There's so many things you have to keep in mind: grain direction, the rotation of the bit, what type of bit you're using, and, well, you don't want to do this wrong. That's all I'm going to say. So you need PPE, eye protection, a respirator, and you need to take your time doing this. You need to be methodical, and you need to make sure that your workpiece is secured, because you do not want to eat shit at an epic rate of speed. Trust me, it's not fun. And you know what? That's it. That's it, guys. We're at the end of the footage for this build so far. And where we're going to be next is finishing up the rest of the routing of the body, including things like cavities, neck pockets, and then we're going to start on our neck, which I've already done a little bit of planing, so I can spare you guys a lot of the monotony that you would see in these types of build videos. So, without any further ado, I am going to ask a big favor of you, my audience. I want you to like and subscribe, because when you like and subscribe, that puts one vote to YouTube saying that I'm cool and that I build guitars. So look at me. I'm cool. And you know what? We need more people on YouTube to be recognized for building guitars. And that's what this is all about, is building guitars for the joy of it and the fun, and to make people happy, because making music makes people happy. And when I hear music being made, oh lordy, it makes me feel so happy. Well, that's it, guys. I don't have anything else for you. We're gonna have some fun next couple of episodes. Things are a little weird right now with work and stuff, so it might be a little while, or you never know. Something might come up and I get some extra shop time. Well, my message to you guys: happy 2022. Drive slow, drink milk, like and subscribe, and remember, wood is good for you.